Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Katni location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for offline coding teacher. Only female candidates are eligible and you must have any graduation with computer science background like a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or IT will be preferred, and ability to build rapport with school age students and excellent communication skills and presentation skills. Freshers and experienced candidates both can apply. And you please check once required skills, and the salary will be up to 5 lakhs per annum, and reconciliation bonus will be up to 25,000, and other benefits traveling allowances will be provided. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Aavas Financiers Limited is hiring for relationship officer for the product of home loan and mortgage loan, and the salary will be as per company norms. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, a leading bank is hiring for assistant manager, relationship manager, credit manager and branch operation manager positions. Like you must have any graduation and also you must have good communication skills. The salary would be up to 23 to 90,000 per month. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, HDB Financial Services Limited is hiring for sales manager for commercial vehicle. For this position, you must have minimum 2 years of work experience in team handling in CV or car or a tractor, and the salary will be up to 4.75 lakhs per annum. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Saina International School having vacancies for different positions. Like let us see one by one in detail. For the postgraduate teacher, they have vacancies in English, Maths, Computer Science, Accountancy, Economics, History, Physics and Chemistry subjects. The salary would be 28,000 per month with additional perks. For the trained graduate teacher, they have vacancies in English, Maths, SST and ICT subjects. The salary would be 25,000 per month with perks. For the primary teacher, they have vacancies in English, Maths, Hindi, dance, Western music, archery and rifle shooting instructors and band, master brass band, like that. These are the vacancies available. The salary would be 22,000 per month with perks. For these positions, you must have 2 to 5 years of work experience. You should be fluent in English communications and you must have a sound knowledge of using computer applications, and you should have interest in sports and co-curricular activities, and you should be passionate and innovative. Like they will provide free accommodation and meals. If you are eligible for any of the job position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for substructure in charge from Taurus Contractors Private Limited. For this position, you should have BE Civil qualifications with 12 to 15 years of work experience. Interested candidates, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.